Now you can track anything exactly how you want. The first app I've ever built, very excited about this. I built it for myself to solve my own problem. And then I realized, wow, maybe other people will be interested in this because it's pretty freaking good. Okay. So I built it exactly for myself and my needs. What I was doing is I was tracking on a piece of paper a Google Sheet that I printed out with columns and things. And every time I wanted to edit it, I had to re-edit in Google Sheet and then reprint it out. And then the biggest problem that I ran into with that is that I didn't take it with me. So if I go to the gym or I go to my office, there's certain things that I want to do. Like I want to foam roll middle of the day. I want to make sure I eat a high protein lunch. I want to hit the gym. And then at the gym, I want to hit my LBA routine, my squats routine. All that was on a piece of paper in my pantry where I do my morning supplement routine. It wasn't working. And then I even tried taking the clipboard with me in the truck and then it just didn't work. So I was like, I just need to go digital with this. Now there's a million tracking, habit, to-do list apps, whatever. And a lot of them are probably great. But what I found is that they're always a bit restricted in what you can do. And I just kind of gave up looking for them and I went analog because I couldn't find something. But now, because this amazing ability to code and give feedback and publish apps, like insanely powerful, which I recommend everybody do, but that's a side topic. You can now track anything that you want, infinitely variable to exactly how you want it to be, right? And we're gonna keep adding new features. So check this out. So I'm gonna show you the actual demo of how this works, but let me give you a few examples here of the things that you can track. You can track a daily progress. That's really what the core idea is I had this tracker and it was don't break the chain format and I wanted to go line by line. So I just built that into a sheet and then I would check off every day I did it and then I would see days I didn't. That was the kind of the idea. And using software, this is really easy because you can use a percentage to track it and you can edit like what you want it to be, how many, the goals. See, this is 5 of 5. I want to meditate 5 of 5 for the week. And if I hit that on like Friday, then I get my little trophy I've done for the week and anything above is a bonus, right? I want to hit my workouts. I'm at 3 of 4. So let's say Wednesday rolls around or Thursday rolls around and I need to get one more weekend in for the weekend. It's very simple to see that I have one to do and I have the whole weekend to get it done, right? Reading X pages, etc. So you have standard tracker setup like this. Then we even have a block tracker counter, which is just a manual clicking. And you can use things like if you want to track how many you do in a day, like this, for example, if you want to even just count numbers, it's really good for that. Like how many times or how much money have I spent? Really infinite with what you can do here. And that was something I've been dreaming about building for years when I had a CrossFit gym back in the day. I wanted the ability to track members. I lost a member, minus, add a member, 1. Just a simple thing in my pocket that I could track. Now finally I can build it 10 years later when I'm not even in that game anymore. So you can also put all of your things here for business, for health, for financial, all in one app. You don't have to split it up, okay? You can also set any cadence you want, daily, weekly, monthly. You can have custom sections. You can move it up or down. You can change the labels. You can customize it to your heart's content. And that's the big different thing that most tracking apps don't get right, is they try to just kind of decide on what they want to build. And I understand why they have to do that. I mean, maybe, I don't know. And probably a lot of these apps were built by people that didn't really want to use the product themselves and they were just trying to build it to do as a tracking app. I built this for exactly what I wanted to see. And then I kind of realized that we could even expand it into various dashboards where you could have things like business and money, and then you can have your daily routine, your goals, etc. Right? We have very simple pricing on this. It's $4.99 a month, $49 a year, or $79 for a 2-year pass. And we already have some early people in using it here. So let's look at the actual demo though here, okay? So this is intended to be a mobile app. You can use it in the web as well. It's gonna format like this. All right, now this is already preloaded for you to give you an idea of what you can do with this. We also have 3 different themes, if you will, and we'll probably add themes over time. So we have, I would say, a more girly theme. We have the standard blue and white, and then we have the dark theme for people that love the dark theme everything, because you know who you are out there. All right. The daily list is the way I had set mine up, and you can change this. You don't have to do it based on morning, afternoon, or evening, or gym, or you do it based on office or home or whatever. You can edit all of these. Okay. And you can also edit how many of these you reach in a week, like from a goals perspective. See, if I can click through this, I can see that I'm above or I'm below, and it updates. And then you can also see gaps. Gym looks like they're crushing it. They're hitting all their gym stuff. You know, they're getting lights out most of the time. They're kind of slacking on their reading. Family dinner is dialed except Thursdays for some reason. Maybe you're not home in time. No phone deep work could probably get a bit better, so on and so forth. In fact, if I look at this for somebody, they're doing pretty good as far as their goals are going. And if this could be you, this could change your life, because every single thing on here, most people should be doing. I also designed that with that in mind, as somebody who's health conscious and works for myself, has kids, manages businesses. I want to also encourage people to get their life in order. So that's a big part of why we're doing this. And for me, this has been a game changer to help me make sure I'm taking my supplements, I'm doing my peptides, I'm doing things like that. Complete game changer. So you have the weekly view here, which you can update, right? You can update from here, but then it's the daily view that you're going to generally be using during the day. Okay, so in here we have the ability to move things up or down. We can also edit. Okay, you can change the emoji, the name. You can set to the different section that you've already programmed out. You can even set your daily goals or weekly goals. Like if you want 3 a week here, you can set the color. You can even add notes, and then it shows up right there. Okay, you can also change these sections. So you have this section here. You can delete it, add an emoji, set a color, reorder it. Okay, it'll show you the progress for each section, the percentage of the day, and then you even get the totals for the week. And then we're going to be building some metrics for like showing how well you did on a weekly and monthly basis. That's next phase 2. But this is the basic core functionality that we have going right now. You can also check out the counters. I just absolutely love this feature. I need to add a split counter. Actually, I do. So where's the small counter? So the small blocks are small. I got to add 3 across for the small, 2 across for the medium, and 1 across for large. And you can have these ordered in whatever way you want. Okay. You can also change the increments. That's a really big, I don't want to call it an innovation, but that's something that I thought that is really cool. So for example, if you're going on like a step basis or something that like there's a lot of these, you probably don't want to click 100 times. So you can change it to be 500. Or 1,000 or whatever number you want. For example, on an eating out budget, let's say you're over limit here, which we already have that built in the logic. You could set this to $10, $20, $50, whatever increments are most common, so that like if you're at a restaurant and you spend $60, you can just click it 3 times, right? You know, so if you eat a lot of Chipotle, maybe $10 is an average bowl size. Although for me with inflation recently, it's usually $15 a bowl, plus double meat, 18 a bowl. I would probably make it 20, right? So you can customize this to your heart's content. That's the point here. Okay, so that you see that you can click in and you can change the size, the goal period, the color, counter type. God, even like literally when I look at it, my mind is blown. It makes me so freaking happy. Okay, very proud and happy with the product. My team and I went back and forth a lot. I also user tested this aggressively. And in fact, it's saved as a bookmark on my phone. Next phase is to get it into the App Store, but for now it's not even necessary, okay? We are just kicked off. There's gonna be some bugs in here, and there's gonna be some features that we're gonna continually add. And if you want to request a feature, then let us know. I would recommend getting an account, take advantage of our pricing, intro pricing for the most part, stop auto logging me in. And then if you have any questions or comments, let me know. YourTracker.app. Really hope you enjoy it. And if you have any feedback, we'd love it. We want it. We want to make absolutely the best tracking app on planet Earth. So follow along for more. My brand is AI, app building, lifestyle, health, just everything. Follow me. I'm Colin Stuckert. Follow me for more. I'm in e-com, but now even in AI, and also doing content to help you live a better life in the AI age and really take advantage of it and build your own personal moat. So follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.